Today I'm showing you how the Surfer command lets you jump across drawings instantly. Surfer is a navigation tool that links every representation of a device. Schematic symbols, parent-child relationships, terminals, backplate layouts, and general arrangement drawings. Instead of hunting through sheets, Surfer takes you exactly where that device appears. You can access Surfer by right-clicking on any component or through the Project tab. When you open it, AutoCAD Electrical shows a list of every linked reference for that item. Example 1. Motor representation. Let's start with this motor symbol in the schematic. I'll right-click and open Surfer. Here you can see both representations, the schematic and the motor's general arrangement or single line diagram. If I click on the general arrangement entry, AutoCAD Electrical jumps straight to the layout sheet where the motor is shown in the physical arrangement. No scrolling, no searching, just instant navigation between schematic and layout. Another example. Let's look at this relay coil. Surfer shows the coil all associated contacts and the backplate representation of the relay. I'll click a contact. AutoCAD Electrical jumps directly to the sheet where the contact is placed. Now I'll jump again to the backplate layout. Surfer keeps the list open, so you can move between coil, contacts, and panel layout without losing your place. Another example, a PLC output module. Surfer shows every linked item. The output module, the power supply, the arrangement drawing showing all the modules together, and the backplate representation. I'll click the power unit. Instant jump. Now the arrangement drawing, again, straight to the sheet showing the full rack. And finally, the backplate layout. Surfer aggregates all representations of the same device, no matter where they appeared in the project. This is incredibly useful during design reviews, red lines, or troubleshooting. If someone flags a device and says, check everything related to this, Surfer lets you jump through every symbol, layout, and panel representation in seconds. And that's the Surfer command, the fastest way to move across drawings in AutoCAD Electrical. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.